सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो ओम च ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं तत्र सप्तत्रिंशदुत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा अद्य 337th क्लास यत्र वयं यथा ज्ञायते जानन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे द्रष्टारः पाठकाः। विदुरनीतिशतकं पठ्यमानमस्ति। शतके एतावत्पर्यन्तम् 68 श्लोकाः 860 श्लोकाः तत्र 68 श्लोकाः पठिताः। तैः सह बहवः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य तु 919तमं श्लोकं पठितुं वयं गच्छामः। 69th श्लोक is to be read today out of the 100 chosen for in this book. Shadete Ayushya Nashakaha. The topic here is 6 cut your lifespan. 6 diminish the life of a person. And what are the 6? Kete Shad Amshaha Ye Ayushya Nashakaha Bhavanti iti vayam idanim shloke patamaha. श्लोकः पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास।
अतिमानोऽतिवादश्च तथा त्यागो नराधिप क्रोधश्चात्मा विधित्सा च मित्रद्रोहश्च तानि
षट्। So far 6 are explained.
एवास यस्तीक्ष्णाः कृन्तन्त्यायुंषि देहिनाम् एतानि मानवान् घ्नन्ति न मृत्युर्भद्रमस्तु ते।
So पदच्छेद
अतिमानः
अतिवादः च
यथा
तथा 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 अत्यागः नराधिप क्रोधः
च आत्मविधित्सा च मित्रद्रोहः च तानि षट् एते एव
असयः।
तीक्ष्णाः।
When you read that third line, eta evasayas tikshnaha. Eta evasayas tikshnaha. So there asaya eta eva asayah. Savanadira sandhi is coming. Eta eva is also sandhi. When broken it becomes ete eva. There is a sandhi, but we should not make sandhi over sandhi. Now eta a is there, a is there, a plus a is equal to I. No, further sandhi. When sandhi is made, one more sandhi will not come on it. So that is.
Eta eva asayah tikshnaha
Kruntanti
ayumshi dehinam etani manavan ghunanti
na
mrityuhu bhadram
astute. So finally Vidura says Bhadram astute. May you be well, or let there be welfare to you, O my brother, O my king, hey Rajan, hey Vrataha. Bhadram astute, Kalyanam astute. Tatra Shad tatra Amshaha santi. Ye Kim kurvanti Ayush tatra Ayumshi Kartayanti Nashakaha bhavanti iti. So here Anvayartha you have read, na?
No, Anvayartha.
Not only Padacheda is done. He Naradhipa, O king.
Atimanaha ativadaha tatha atyagaha krodhascha atmaviditsa cha mitradrohaha cha tani shat ete eva tikshnaha asayah dehinam ayumshi kruntanti etani manavan ghranti na mrityuhu te bhadram astu.
Te tubhyam bhadram te astu. Te bhadram astu, bhadram te astu. Okay. Naradhipa, naranam adhipa Adhipa means king. Nrupa. Nrun pati iti nrupa. Nrupaha. Paha means palakaha. Pati iti paha. So here adhipaha, adhikam pati, naran adhikataya pati, adhikena pati, adhikena pati. He protects more better way. That is why he is king. Naradhipa. He Dhritarashtra understood. Atimanaha, atyantam manaha. Atma vishaye atimanaha, abhimanaha. Arrogance. Garvaha. Atimanaha nama garvaha. Ativadaha. Ativadaha, you know, too much of talk. Too much talk. Excessive talk. Atyantam vadaha. Or excessive argument. Okay? Ativada is translated as it also means exaggerate, excessive talk, or what do you say, abusive talk also, ativadaha. It can be also talkativeness, unnecessary gossip. Tata, similarly, atyagaha, not giving up. Na tyagaha atyagaha. Na tyagaha atyagaha, naitat purusha. Krodha, anger. Atma vidissa. Atmanaha vidissa. Vidissa means swartha chinta. Atma swartha chinta. Vidissa is vidhatum icha, a wish to do or make. Vidissa means wish to do or make. Vidhatum icha vidissa. Atma vidissa means Atmanaha vidhissa, a desire to do things for the self. Atmartham kartum icha, Atma vidhissa, kevalam Atmartham. Atmane, swatmane kartum ya icha bhavati, yasya ya icha bhavati, sa Atma vidhissa, selfish desire. And then what is there? Atma vidhissa. Mitra droha, mitranam droha, treachery of friends, cheating the friends, and chatani shat. So these are 6 if you count. Atimanaha 1, ativadaha 2, atyagaha 3, krodhaha 4, atma vidhissa is 5, mitra droha 6. Etani shat. Kim kurvanti ete eva tikshnaha asayaha. Ete अत्र वर्णिताः ये अंशाः षड् वंशाः सन्ति खलु अंशाः ते अंशाः असयः इव भवन्ति असयः इव भवन्ति ते असयः इति न केवलम् असयः तीक्ष्णाः असयः दे आर् शार्प swords asi shabda asihi asi asayah is a very simple noun like kavihi kavi kavayah. And adjective preceding is tikshna shabda. Tikshnaha asayah. Akaranta visheshana shabda is tikshna, sharp.
Atma-viditsa is selfishness.
Yeah, a desire to do good to the self. Selfishness only. Selfishness only. So, ete eva tikshnaha asayah. These are the 6 sharp swords. Dehinam ayumshi. What do they do? Dehinam jivanam ayumshi kruntanti. They cut the life of the human beings. Each one is a sword. Sharp, that is also sharp sword. Tikshnaha asihi. Pratyekam atra varnitam. वर्णितः अंशः प्रत्येकं तीक्ष्णः असिः इव भवति. अतः यदि तीक्ष्णः असि एकः एव अस्ति चेदपि तत्र कर्तनं जायते, आयुकर्तनं जायते, आयुषः कर्तनं भवति. यदि षड् असयः तीक्ष्णाः असयः तत्र सन्ति चेत् षड्भिः असिभिः तत्र कर्तनं सञ्जायते पुरुषस्य आयुषः. देहिनां तत्र भूतानां जीवानां आयुंषि कृन्तन्ति. They cut the life of the living beings. देहिनाम आयुंषि कृतं. You know the word ayumshi. Ayuhu, ayushi, ayumshi. So dvitiya bahuvachana. Ayumshi, vayaha, vayasi, vayamsi. Or if you take vayas shabda, vayamsi kruntanti. Ayumshi kruntanti, dehinam, jivanam, vayamsi kruntanti. These six, ete shad, atra varnitaha, asayaha, sadrushaha, amshaha, dehinam, ayumshi, vayamsi kruntanti. Etani manavan gnanti. These things only kill men. Gnanti, they kill the men. Etani shat manavan gnanti. These kill men. Gnanti means hanti is ekavachana.
Okay.
Hanti hataha gnanti. Third person. Hanti hana dhatu. Hana. Hanmi hanvaha hanmaha. Uttama purusha. Hanmi, I kill. Hanvaha hanmaha. We kill. Hanti is ekavachana. Gnanti is bahuvachana. Hanti hataha. Hataha is dvivachana. This is adadigana. We have not specifically studied that. Anyway. Etani gnanti marayanti. Athava marayanti. Etani shad tikshnaha asayaha. Ye varnitaha atra manavan gnanti marayanti. Na mrutyuhu. Mrutyuhu na marayanti. Mrutyuhu na hanti. Mrutyuhu manavan na hanti. Parantu etani shad atra varnitani manavan gnanti marayanti. Tikshnaha asayaha. Iti. Te bhadramastu. That is why te bhadramastu. Tubhyam bhadramastu. Bhadram te astu. This anvayartha te should not be in the beginning. Bhadram te astu. Bhadram te never comes in the beginning. You see namaste, namaha te. Te namaha we don't say. Te does not come in the beginning of a sentence. It can come afterwards. Namastu, that is the rule there. Anyway, so tubhyam or bhadram te astu. May you have all good. May welfare be to you. That is how Vidura says. So Vidura is indirectly pointing out these defects which are there in his own brother and king Yudhishthira. Yete sarvepi doshaha tatra Yudhishthire Ragni Rajani Yudhishthire tatra santi iti krutva. He is just smarayati. Viduraha etan doshan smarayati bhratre jeshta bhratre. भावार्थ
अभिमानः अधिक भाषणं त्यागहीनता क्रोधः स्वार्थचिन्ता मित्रद्रोहः इति एते षड्
खड्गाः भवन्ति
ये च मनुष्यस्य आयुः नाशयन्ति वस्तुतः मनुष्यम् एते एव दुर्गुणाः मारयन्ति
न तु मृत्युः. वेरी सिंपल. Sanskrit bhavartha is abhimanaha. Atimanaha means abhimana, arrogance, self-pride. Adhika bhashanam, ativadaha. Ativadaha, adhika bhashanam. Tyaga heenata, atyagaha, tyaga rahityam. Krodhaha, swartha chinta, mitra drohaha. Iti ete shad khadgaha asayaha bhavanti santi. Like this, these are the 6 swords. Not only simply swords, but there is an adjective. Tikshnaha asayaha. They are the sharp swords. Ye cha manushyasya ayuhu nashayanti. Ye khadgaha. Atra varnitaha khadgaha. Shad khadgaha asayaha. Manushyasya manushyanam ayuhu nashayanti marayanti. Gnanti. Ayuhu is used in Dvitiya Ekavachana here. Ayuhu. Ayuhu, Ayushi, Ayumshi. Ayuhu, Ayushi, Ayumshi. So this is Dvitiya Ekavachana. Ayuhu. Manavasya Ayuhu Nashayanti Ete. Vastutaha, in reality, Manushyan Ete Eva Durgunaha Nashayanti Marayanti. In reality, these are the bad qualities which kill men. Not the death. Death is final. killer, terminator. But before the death comes, these qualities, bad qualities, bad traits in men, they keep on cutting our life. They keep on shortening our life. So be careful. What is the underlying message? So be careful, don't entertain these qualities. Abhimanaha, adhikavashanam, tyaga hinata, krodha, swartha chinta, mitra droha iti. So that is okay. I think English is also okay. I did not find any. So let welfare be to you. Let all good to be to you. That is, so be it. Bhadram te astu. Sambandha slokaah trayah santi Srinivasa. Kevalam trayah. Pratamaha manusmruti taha.
Ativadam stitiksheta navamanyeta kanchana. न चेमं देहमाश्रित्य वैरं कुर्वीत केनचित्.
So Manu also says same thing. That is why it is a Sambandha sloka. Manoho matamapi tadeva asti iti tatra dattam asti dattah slokah. Ativadan. So you go on splitting. Ativadan titiksheta. Ativadan stitiksheta. Ativadan. This is Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Already we have come across Ativada Shabda in the main sloka. Ativada. So Ativadan titiksheta. Titiksheta means one should put up with. One should bear. Titiksheta. Na avamanyeta kamchana. Kam plus chana kamchana. Kam, that is interrogative, kim shabda. Kaha kau ke kam kau kan. Kam plus chana. Anybody. Kamchana. Kamchana purusham manavam na avamanyeta. One should not insult any person. Kamchana, anybody. Kamchana purusham manavam na avamanyeta. Bahumanyeta parantu na avamanyeta. You should respect, but not disrespect. And one should put up with ativadan. One should tolerate the ativada, the talkative people. If somebody is talking too much, then you just bear it. And don't hurt anybody. Kamchana avamanyeta. Kasyachit purushasya avamanam na kuryaditi. Next line. Nacha imam dehamashritya vairam kurvita kenachit. Nacha imam. Cha plus imam. What is the sandhi? Che imam. Guna sandhi. Nacha imam deham ashritya. Imam deham ashritya, taking on this body, having taken this body, depending on this body, kena chit, with anybody, chit is coming, chana has come above. You know the three particles which are used in the indefinite sense, chit, chana, api. Kena chit, kena chana, kena api. All mean the same thing. Api, chit, chana. Used in the indefinite sense. Kimchit, kimchana, kimapi. Kinchit anaya, kimapi anaya, kimchana anaya. All the three are same. So here kena chit. Kim shabda is used here in Trutiya. Kena chit. Kena chit vairam na kurvita. Never make enmity with anybody. Because this body is not permanent. Nacha imam deham ashritya. Having taken this body which is perishable, dahyate iti deha, shiryate iti shariram. That is the derivative meaning of the shirya. That which is subject to deterioration is sharira. That which is finally burnt is called deha. So why quarrel with the aid of this body. So don't insult anybody, don't have enmity with anybody, and if somebody is talking too much irrelevantly, abusing, just put up, bear him. Titikshasva iti. Titiksheta, one should tolerate ativadan, people who speak too much. So that is what he says. Now earlier to this poem he gives what are the qualities of learned people. Let the learned person, Brahmana, patiently bear the abusive language of others. Somebody is abusing, you also abuse. What is the difference between you and him? So some people say, if somebody is abusing you, you switch off your mind. You switch off simply, nothing will happen to you. When you receive only, problem is there. You can as well reject it. Isn't it? It's so beautiful. If somebody is cursing you, abusing you, you switch off your mind, then you won't have any reaction. The moment you receive it, there is a problem. So cut it at that level itself. That is something like that. Ativadan titiksheta. One should bear patiently the abusive language of anybody, but not insult, at the same time not insult anybody. Kamchana na avamanyeta. One should not, a learned person should not insult anybody. And and one should not become enemy to anybody also. Na kenachit vairam kurvita. One should not, a learned person should not become enemy with anybody. Cha imam deham ashrita. So what he says, for the sake of imam deham ashrita means for the sake of this perishable body. See, if we are going to live permanently, then there is some meaning in inviting some trouble or problem, whatever you say. When we are not permanent, supposing, I give you an example. Somebody is rented in a house for a few months or years. Why should he have any permanent program of living in that colony if he is only a rented man? Sooner or later he will have to vacate and go. So this body is also a rented body. We don't know when we'll get the notice to quit. Sometimes notice comes very short notice. With short notice we may have to leave this body. Sometimes we may live for a longer time. But since having known that this is only a rented house, why should we quarrel with others? Be good to everyone. After all, this is a rented house. Nothing is, so something like that you can, this is my way of interpreting. So he says, resorting to this, you don't make enemy with anybody. For the sake of this, having resorted, having obtained this perishable imam deham ashritya nashwaram imam nashwaram deham ashritya kenachit vairam na kuryatiti. Don't make enmity with anybody. So okay, if one is if you take it philosophically, then everything is fine. But people don't understand, realize so easily. Next. Again Manu. Same chapter.
Krudhyantam na
Pratikrudyet
kushalam vadet. Saptadvara vakirnam cha na vacha manrutam vadet.
Can you do the padacheda? Krudhyantam na pratikrudyet. Pratikrudyet akrustah kushalam vadet. Next. Saptadvara avakirnam. Saptadvara plus avakirnam, dvara avakirnam chana vacham anrutam vadet. Anrutam vacham na vadet. Last word. Anrutam vacham na vadet. Saptadvara avakirnam. That is first line, let us see. Krudhyantam na pratikrudyet. One should not, just now I told you, somebody is cursing, you don't curse. So there is one writer, Sundara Pandya, Niti Dvishastika. He has written 120 poems. Niti Dvishastika, 2 Shastis. That is 120 poems I have written. Wonderful writer, somewhere is it. Shvayadi bhashati dashati manushyan. Manushyaha na punardashati. Manushyaha tamna punardashanti, he says. I exactly don't remember, but this is it. If a dog bites men, men do not bite it back. Dushtaha yadi akroshati. If a wicked fellow curses, abuses sajjanam, na sajjanaha prativadati kimchit. Sajjana does not reply him in his own language. If a dog bites man, does man bite him back? Similarly, if a dushta abuses you, if you abuse, there is no meaning. Understand? Same thing is there. But a powerful upamana is given there by Sundara Pandya. If dog bites men, men don't bite back. Similarly, if filthy fellows abuse you, you don't react. That's it. If you react, you have accepted. Understand? Reaction shows that you have accepted that accusation. Simply be quiet, ignore it. That is, krudhyantam na pratikrudyet. Somebody is getting angry with you, cursing you, angry for you or with you, then don't get angry. Akrushtaha, if you are accused, abused. Ninditaha akrushtaha. Cursed, when you are cursed, kushalam vadet, you ask him whether he is doing well or not. If somebody is abusing you, you ask him, how are you? It is not a very strategic way of teaching him a lesson. So, kushalam vadet. So, when cursed, you ask him his welfare. Let him bless, okay? Or you bless him. Kushalam vadet means Panditaha kushalam vadet. You should bless him, okay, live long. Get more angry and get destroyed yourself. So kushalam vadet. Saptadvara avakirnam vacham anrutam na vadet. But don't speak lie coming from this body. Now what is saptadvara? Dvau karnau, dve netre, 4, nasika putadvayam, 6, mukham, 7. This is the count of 7. Otherwise we also say navarandhra. Then some other calculation takes place, navarandhra. Navadvara we say. Eyes, ears, of course, as you say, nostrils and mouth. Mala mutra dvara dvayam. That is mutra dvaram and that is mala dvaram. That is Navadvara. Navadvara Puram. This is a city with 9 exits, so to say. Some people say, and here skin also can be taken as an exit. But here he says, Sapta Dvara Avakirnam. This body which is scattered at the 7 gates, So, Vacham Anrutam Navadet. So, you should not speak untruth. You should not lie. Use a Anruta means false speech which is scattered over this 7 gates body. That is what. That means don't speak lies. Bless him if he is cursing. If he is getting angry, don't get angry. You don't get angry. Let him get angry and spoil his. Now, when we read often in the magazines and newspapers, when a man gets angry, there are some chemicals released in the brain. that spoil his health. Immediately some chemicals, I don't exactly remember the name of the chemical, but they are released, and which upset him, which is upset his stomach also. He will get a stomach disorder or acidity once a man is very angry. So that is the reason why anger is treated like enemy. Like here it is called tikshna asihi, ete tikshna asaya. They are sharp, but our people told poetically, but there is science behind it. Now the modern neurology science tells us that when we get all these negative qualities, when we undergo, men lose their health. That is why we should keep them away. That is the reason. Is it okay?
What is the avakirna?
Scattered, spread. Avakirna, kru, krina, kirna, spread. The speech which is spread in this body of 7 gates. Saptadvara avakirnam vacham anrutam vacham na vadit. One should not speak false. Spread over this 7 gated, 7 gated we say, gated community, like a 7 gate body which is having 7 gates. I remember saying gated community we say, na? So gated body, scattered at the 7 gates of the body. So krudhyantam is shatru pratyayanta, Srinivas. Krudhyantam na pratikrudhyet. This is a potential vidhiling, na pratikrudhyet. Akrustaha, when you are cursed, kushalam vadet. You should bless him, ask him his well-being. Saptadvara avakirnam anrutam vacham na vadet. But never speak so let the learned person not speak, speak the false, devoid of truth, of course, then scattered in the 7 gated body. That is okay. Then kushalam vadet, that is also a potential moods, vadet, saptadvara avakirnam. This is adjectival to vacham. Saptadvara avakirnam vacham. Anrutam, that is a vak shabda is strilinga, therefore everything is anrutam, asatyam, asatyam, vacham, na vadit. One should not speak, or the learned person should not speak. We go to the last one here.
Dhanalubdo hyasantushto niyatatma jitendriyah sarva eva padastasya yasya tushtam na manasam.
So this is Hitopadesha, Mitra, one book, Mitra Labha. We have originally, they say Panchatantra is the original book written by Vishnu Sharma. On the same lines, one more Narayana Pandit wrote Hitopadesha. Almost same way it is dealt. Most of the stories are like that, excepting naming of the tantras. So that is it. So there is from Hitopadesha Mitra Labha. Dhana lubdaha, dhaneshu lubdaha, one who is greedy of money. Okay, you will do padacheda.
Yeah. Dhanalubdaha, he asantushtaha.
He plus asantushtaha plus aniyatatma plus ajitendriya. Everywhere a is coming. Next, sarvaha visarga lopa eva plus apadaha, apadaha.
Tasya.
Sarvaha plus eva plus apadaha plus yasya, tasya, sorry, apadaha tasya. Then no sandhi. Tasya, tasya, yasya tushtam na manasam. Yasya purushasya manasam na tushtam. Yasya manavasya manasam manaha na tushtam bhavati. That man whose mind is not content, is not satisfied. That is the main clause, you can say main part of the sentence. Yasya Manasam na tushtam bhavati. A man whose mind is not satisfied. Dhanalubdaha. So this says, okay, we'll go back to Dhanalubdaha. One person is Dhanalubdaha, greedy of money. Then Asantushtaha, he Asantushta, one who is not happy. Na Santushtaha, Asantushtaha. Next, Aniyatatma, one whose mind is not controlled. Aniyata, Aniyatam, na niyatam. Aniyatam nama na niyatam. Manaha yasya saha. Aniyatatma. Atma nama itra manas. One who has no control, who has no control over his mind. Ajitendriyaha, na jitendriyaha, na jitani indriyani yena saha. That person by whom the senses are not won over, conquered. So one who has not conquered his senses because he has not conquered the mind. If one is niyatatma, automatically he becomes jitendriya. Because indriyas are in the control of the mind. Next. Sarvaha eva apadaha tasya. Tasya bhavanti. Sarvaha apadaha. This apad shabda is strilinga shabda. Apad, apadau, apadaha. Therefore the pronoun sarva shabda, sarvanama shabda is used in strilinga. Watch that. Sarvaha eva apadaha tasya bhavanti. Kasya bhavanti? Yasya manaha na tushtam bhavati. All problems will come to that fellow whose mind is not satisfied. All the calamities will go to reach that person whose mind is not satisfied. Like we have one Bhartrihari Subhashita. Vayamiha paritushtaha valkalena. Vayamiha paritushtaha valkalena tvam dhukulaihi. Here I am satisfied by ordinary cotton clothes. Tvam, you are satisfied dhukulena, silken cloth. Dhukulam. Sama iha paritoshaha. Our contentment is same. You are happy with your silken cloth. I am happy with my cotton cloth. You are in three-piece suit. I am in cotton ordinary shirt and trouser. I am happy. You are also happy. Sama iha paritoshaha. Our contentment level is same. Nirvisesho hi viseshaha. Absence of any distinct quality, any absence of any speciality is this speciality. There is no speciality. Nirviseshaha. There is no visesha. And that is itself is a visesha. What is the speciality between you and me? You are happy, I am happy. Sama, samaha, avayoho madhye, paritoshaha, santoshaha, samaha vartate, tulyaha vartate. Ataha nirvisesho hi viseshaha. Nirvisesha itself is a visesha, it's a significant. Sahi bhavati daridraha, he says. Saha, sahi bhavati daridra. That person becomes a wretched fellow, poor man. Yasya trushna vishala. That person becomes a wretched poor man whose greed is very wide. Yasya trushna vishala. Very broad greed. You can say broad greed, wide greed. Sahi bhavati daridraha yasya trushna vishala manasicha paritushte. How nicely he says, manasicha paritushte. Same thing, when the mind is content, when the mind is satisfied, kaha daridraha kaha. Who is rich, poor man, kaha Shriman. I think the last word I am not getting. Manasicha paritushte kaha daridraha. Who is a poor man, kaha cha Shriman. Who is a rich man, who is a poor man when the mind is happy. Same thing, na? So, beautiful example given by Bhartrihari. A man putting on costly clothes is happy. A man not having so much with his ordinary clothes is also happy. Happiness is same, isn't it? A person going on bicycle is happy. One going in Mercedes-Benz car is also equally happy. Both are happy in their own way. One who is not, once the mind is happy, where is the rich and poor? That is what. So here, sarvaha eva apadaha tasya bhavanti. Kasya? Yasya manaha chittam na tushtam bhavati. Yasya manaha na tushtam bhavati. Sarvaha apadaha tasya eva. So wonderfully said. So one need not be dhanalubdha, one need not be asantushtaha, one should be rather controlling his mind, one should have control over the sense organs, etc. Only then you have, through these methods you please your mind. Is it okay? Sarvaha eva apadaha, yes, tasya yasya tushtam na manasam, yasya manaha na tushtam bhavati. I am sorry. Manasicha paritushte kaha artha kaha ko arthavan kaha daridraha. Ko arthavan kaha arthavan, who is rich man, kaha daridra, who is a poor man. When the mind is satisfied, everything is same. So it's all satisfaction. And our philosophy also says matras parshastu kaunteya. All these are only sensory perceptions. Sita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha. Sukha Dukkha are only at the sensory level, isn't it? The sensory level, mental level. When the mind is happy, can we please a yogi, give him $1 million? What he will say, what will I do with this money? But a greedy man, a rogi, oh, he will think of enjoying so much with $1 million. So you can't tempt, you can't try to please a yogi by any number of money. So because his mind is under control and also happy. He's got a happy mind. Let us go to Saptatitamaha Slokaha. Saptatitamaha Slokaha. Yatnena Swarashtam Rakshit. A king should protect his country by all efforts. With all efforts.
Yatneva yatnaha kriyate pararashtra
Vimardane. This is such a simple sloka after coming after so many slokas. You can just understand it. Yasa, both relative. Yaha eva, sa eva. See beautifully. Relative pronouns. Yaha eva, you can read the padacheda, nothing, not very difficult.
Yaha eva yatnaha kriyate pararashtra vimardane.
Saha eva Swarashtra paripalane. Any beginner can understand this poem. Yaha anvayartha yatnaha
pararashtra vimardane kriyate sa eva yatnaha swarashtra paripalane kartavyaha.
That is it. Yaha yatnaha prayatnaha pararashtra vimardane nashane kriyate. Pararajya vimardane nama nashani. Vimardana is a word crushing, destroying, Srinivas. Vimardanam. It is Pullinga and also Napumsakalinga. Vimardanam, Vimardaha. So destroying, crushing. So whatever effort is put in to destroy the enemy's country, same effort should be put in protecting one's own, in ruling one's own country. If a king puts the same effort in managing his country, then that will be very good. Swarashtra paripalane. Yeah, you can. So, yaha yatnaha pararashtra vimardane nashane kriyati. That effort, whatever effort one puts in or is put in, say, crushing the enemy's country, sa eva yatnaha, that very effort, that very same effort, swarashtra paripalane kartavya. It should be adopted, that same effort should be put in protecting, in ruling one's own country. Bhavartha, you will see.
इतरराष्ट्राणां नाशाय यादृशः प्रयत्नः क्रियते तादृशः प्रयत्नः स्वराष्ट्रस्य रक्षणाय
अपि करणीयः. So very simple Bhavartha also written. Itara Rashtanam, Itara Deshanam. Rashtra means here Desha, not local understanding of we Telugus. Rashtra means state. No. Rashtra means country. Itara Rajyanam, Deshanam, Nashaya Yadrusha Yatnaha Prayatnaha Kriyate Tadrusha Eva Samanaha Yatnaha Swa Rashtrasya Swadeshasya Paripalane Karaniyaha Kartavyaha Karyaha. That's all. Sa eva Tadrusha Eva Prayatnaha Yatnaha Swadesha Paripalane Kartavyaha Karaniyaha. So you can go now. Many poems are given as Sambandha Sloka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are given. One poem, 5.
धर्मेण राज्यं विन्देत धर्मेण परिपालयेत धर्ममूलां श्रियं प्राप्य न जहाति न हीयते.
Again Vidraniti. I think only one is from Vidraniti. Dharmena Rajyam, no Sandhi in the first line, no Sandhi in the second line, Srinivas. So, Dharmena Rajyam Vindeta Nrupaha Yakkopi Nrupaha Raja Rajyam Dharmena Vindeta. A king should have his kingdom with dharma. A king should get his kingdom by dharma only. Dharmena Nrupaha Rajyam Vindeta Labheta. Vindeta nama labheta. One should get labheta. Labadatu. Vindeta labheta. How should a king get his kingdom? Through legal means. Dharma. Dharmena nama dharma margena iti. Dharma margena rajyam vindeta labheta. Prapniyat raja. Raja nrupaha dharmena margena rajyam prapniyat. Natu adharma margena. Iti. Evameva, in the similar manner, dharmena paripalayet. He should also, king Nrupaha, dharmena paripalayet rajyam. Rajyam dharmena paripalayet. He should rule the country with righteousness, with dharma. Dharma moolam sriyam prapya. And a person, a king who does so, yakkopi raja Nrupaha evam karanena rajyam prapya dharma moolam sriyam prapya rajyam prapya tatra rajya palanam karoti tadrushasya nrupasya nrupalasya bhupalasya shrihi agacchati rajya lakshmihi agacchati tasya samipe tam rajya shriyam rajya lakshmim prapya. One who rules righteously, automatically Rajya Lakshmi comes to him. Dharma moolam shriyam. That is why Shri is sourced in, based in dharma. Lakshmi, prosperity of kingdom is rooted in dharma. Dharma moolam shriyam prapya. Already first line says, the king should get his kingdom by dharma. Rule by dharma. Once he started ruling, then Rajya Lakshmi or Rajya Shri, fortune comes to him. Dharma moolam shriyam prapya labdva. Having obtained the fortune coming routed through dharma, coming through dharma, once it has come to the king, Rajya Lakshmi na jahati rajanam, nrupam na jahati na tyajati, tadrushi Lakshmi bhupalam na jahati. Once the Lakshmi fortune has come to the king, the fortune called Lakshmi here, Shri, does not leave the king, nor she is left by the king also. She neither leaves him, nor he is allowed, nor he allows her to leave. That is the sense here. Rajya, what is it? Dharma moolam shriyam prapya na jahati, does not leave home. Kam na jahati? Bhupalam. Rajanam nrupam na jahati. Nrupena rajna na hiyate na tyajyate cha. It neither leaves the king nor she is left by the king. Nrupena tena na hiyate tena rajna. Neither she leaves nor is she left by the king. Rajyashrihi atra dharmamoola rajyashrihi nrupam na jahati nama na tyajati uta nrupena na tyajati. Neither she leaves the king nor is she left by the king. She is not left by the king. That means she will be permanently with the king. A king who rules in the country, the kingdom in a justified manner, having acquired through dharma marga, will ever be fortunate, ever be blessed with Rajya Lakshmi. So that is the idea of Vidura. Not getting the kingdom by shortcuts, adharma marga. Next sloka.
Nirbhayam tu bhavedyasya rashtam bahubalaashritam tasya tadvardhate nityam sichyamana iva dhrumaha.
This is Manu. Now the above poem, Hiyate is there, Srinivas. Hiyate is Jahati only, ha to leave. Hiyate, Tyajati is left. Hiyate nama Tyajati. Now this Manu sloka, it says, Nirbhayam tu bhavet yasya rastram bahubalashritam. Yasya bahubalashritam rastram nirbhayam bhavet. Anvayartha. Yasya nama yasya nrupasya rajnaha bhupalasya bahubalashritam bahubala ashritam rastram. Bahunam bahoho bale ashritam अथवा बाहूनाम बलेषु बाहूनाम बले आश्रितम राष्ट्रम, the country which is dependent on the strength, on the physical strength of the king. Yasya rupasya bahu balashritam rastram vartate yasya nirbhayam bhavet tat, that will become a fearless country. That means a country which is protected by the might of the king is a country where there is no fear. Nirbhayam tasya, that becomes a fearless country. Nirbhayam bhavet, that will become, that means Nirbhayam means people there will not fear, will not have any fear. They will live fearlessly. Like you take now a king who protects his country so meticulously, then there people can move very freely. People should not have any fear. But is it so? No. If we just look to our contemporary countries, I would not name many so-called advanced countries where people live with fear. Night comes, fear sets in. Nobody dares go out. Except a few Asian countries, I am told. Japan, where women move dead of the night very freely. Germany, people move very freely. China, women move freely. No fear there. So that is Yasya Bahubala Ashritam Rastram Nirbhayam Bhavet Tasya, to that Nrupasya Tadvardhane Tasya Tadvardhane Tasya Tadvardhate Nityam of that king, vardate nityam sichyamana iva drumaha. Kim vardate tad vardate nityam tad rashtam vardate. Tasya nrupasya tad rashtam nama sadeshaha vardate nityam. It always prospers. That country which is well protected by the king and where there is no fear among the people, it grows. That is it. It grows always. Tad vardate nityam. Tad vardate nityam. How? One upamana is given here. Sichyamana iva drumaha. Like a vrikshaha. Yatha sichyamanaha vrikshaha pratidinam vardate. Yadi kachana vrikshakaha asti chet. A small plant, if it is being watered, nurtured every day, how does that plant grow into a big tree? In the same way, yasya rajnyaha bhupalasya bahubalashritam rashtam nirbhayam bhavet tasya nupasya tat rashtam sadeshaha nityam vardhati. Katham vardhate? Sichyamanaha iva drumaha. Drumaha iva sichyamana. Nityam sichyamanaha drumaha iva sada vardhate eva. That country grows like a watered plant, watered tree, like a well-watered plant or tree. This word came in the previous Druma Shabda, I have told you, previous class. Vrikshaha, Drumaha, Padapaha. These are the words. That's it. There is anything more?
प्रज्ञां संरक्षति नृपः सा वर्धयति पार्थिवम्.
There is a mistake, Srinivas, in the beginning only. Prajnam, not prajam, that is. We have to say prajam. It's not prajam. You read us.
संरक्षति नृपः सा वर्धयति पार्थिवम्. वर्धनाद्रक्षणं श्रेयस्तदभावे
Sadapyasat. That is sat api asat. Sadapyasat. Hitopadesha. Vigraha. That is Mitra Bheda. Okay. Now, please, this correction will repeat. Prajam, not Pragnam. Prajam samrakshati nrupaha. Sa vardhayati parthivam. Now, first line says, Prajam yaha nrupaha, that king, Srinivas, yaha nrupaha prajam samrakshati, that king who protects his people, not Pragnam. Yaha nrupaha prajam swasya prajam samrakshati, his own, that king who protects his people. Sa, this sa refers to praja. Praja is Strilinga Shabda. Sa praja, that people, vardhayati parthivam, they promote his prosperity. They, people, that people who are whom the king protects, they contribute to the nation. True. Sa praja vardhayati, they enhance or they prosper, make the king prosper. Parthivam. Parthivam means here king. Parthiva. Nrupam. Sa praja parthivam nrupam vardhayati. They make him grow. It is something like dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Prajaha rakshitaha rajanam api rakshanti vardhayanti cha. Rajanamapi vardhayanti rakshitaha prajaha. Vardhanat rakshanam shreyaha. Next line says Vardhanat rakshanam shreyaha. More than the growth, protection is important. Vardhanat rakshanam shreyaha. First, protection is important. When people are protected, automatically growth takes place. isn't it? Vardhanat rakshanam shreya. Prajaranjanat rakshanat eva raja. That is the definition given in Mahabharata. Raja prajaranjanat. A king is called king because he has to continuously entertain, look after the comforts of the people. And primary is protection of the people. Primary duty of a king is to protect. Kshatriya dharma, that is Kshatat trayate kila kshatriya dharma, kshatriya shabdaha bhuvaneshu rudaha. Kalidasa says, a kshatriya is one who protects his people from danger. Kshatat trayate, he protects his people from all sorts of dangers. He is only a king, otherwise he can't be king. That is why even in our democracy now, we say when a government fails to protect the lives of the people in riots, so the opposition says, no, you have no right to continue, please resign. Yes, it is true. When the king cannot protect his people's property or life, he has no right to continue. Morally he has no right. But now who is stepping down now? Having occupied with great difficulty that position. Huh? So, Vardhanat Rakshanam Shreyah Tadabhave, in the absence of the protection, Tadabhave, Tasya Rakshanasya Abhave, Sadapi Asat. So, that means what is not. In the absence of protection, there is nothing. There will be no growth, Vardhanam. No one can, in other words, no one can be sure of his property in the absence of protection. No one can be sure of his life in the absence of protection. Even for a moment, see, we are all living with the confidence that the government is protecting us. If the government cannot protect us, then what is the government meant for? That is it. So may think about it later. Shubham Bhuyat.